Removing a payment method from Apple Pay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is updated or removed as needed. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This app is where all your payment methods are stored. Step 2. Select the card. Find and tap on the card associated with the payment method you want to remove. This will open the details for the specific card. Step 3. Access card information. Once you are viewing the card details, look for the option that says I or Info in the corner of the screen. Tap on it to access more settings related to the card. Step 4. Remove the card. Scroll down to find the Remove Card option. Tap on it and confirm your choice to remove the payment method from Apple Pay. Step 5. Confirm removal. After tapping Remove Card, a confirmation message will appear. Confirm that you want to proceed and the payment method will be successfully removed from Apple Pay. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment method in Apple Pay. If you have any further questions, feel free to consult Apple's support resources.